Here's how to check someone's location on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can only see someone's location if they share it with you. There is no legal way to track someone without permission. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap the People tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the person who's sharing their location with you. You'll see their location on the map. You can see their address, distance, and when the location was last updated. They open Find My, tap Share My Location, choose your contact, and select how long to share their location. You can also open an iMessage chat. Tap the contact name at the top. Tap Info, then View Location if it's shared. You cannot track someone who hasn't shared their location. Any app claiming this is unsafe or fake. Make sure both iPhones are signed into iCloud and have location services turned on. And that's it. That's how you check someone's location on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.